You talking with me? Your Excellency, the Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Your Excellency, the Governor of Adamawa State, other governors that are here, the MD of NDDC, permit me to stand on the existing protocol. I'm very proud to be here today. I'm proud because my kinsmen, the Ijaw people of River State, have identified the strategic help, the strategic leadership, and the strategic partnership between the Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory and the Ijaw people. I'm not going to bore you people with those that he has appointed in this President Bola Tinubu's government. Others have said it. Some are contained in the welcome address presented by my brother Senator Sekebo. So I'm not going to bore you. But it's important for me to tell you, my brothers and sisters, today, that me that is standing here today as Minister of State Petroleum Resources and Oil is also made possible by Oko-Jumbo. You also heard the account of the MD of NDDC who said that the Minister of FCT played a direct role in his appointment. My own case could have even been a more direct role. Some of you may not know, it all started in his house in Port Harcourt, and it all got concluded in his house in Abuja. My journey, my second journey of becoming minister, started in the house of the FCT Minister in Port Harcourt, and it was concluded in his house in Abuja. It's important for me to complete this history. But when I was looking at the welcome address, our names were not included among those who have benefited from him, from his own benevolence. I thought that my name, Heineken Lokpobiri, would have been included amongst those that he had helped. But since my name is not included, I have to complete it. I want you Ijaw people to know that we have a brother, we have a friend. It's always better to have a good friend to have a bad brother than to have a bad brother. Of what use is a bad brother? It's of no use. But if you have a good friend in the kind of the FCT Minister, you know that you're already blessed. Your Excellency, the Honorable Minister, let me, on behalf of the Ijaw people, the people gathered here are Ijaw people in River State. Let me, on behalf of the Ijaw people all over the world, to express our gratitude to you for your show of love to Ijaw people. We Ijaw people are very grateful people. If you do us good, we don't pay you back with evil. So we will always be grateful to you for what you have done for our own Ijaw people. And we're always looking forward to you to do more for our Ijaw people. I want you to know that we, the Ijaw people, are not known to be betraying people. My father used to tell me, if somebody does good to you and you pay him with evil, evil they wait for you. But if somebody does good to you and you do good to the person, you recognize it, more goods will come to you. And that is what the Ijaw people are displaying today, that you've been very nice to us, and today we needed to celebrate you for being such a good man. And we pray and commit that we will always stand with you at any particular time. That we, the young people, will be needed to stand with you. Let me conclude by saying that you are not just a leader of River State. I've said that, look, you shouldn't be reduced to be leader of River State. No. Apart from President Tinubu, I don't know of any other leader that plays the kind of role you play in this country. And by providence, the president, because he has abiding confidence in you, decided to make you Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. That means you are essentially governor of the center of Nigeria. So I want to conclude by saying that, look, you are our leader, not of River State, not just of South South. You are one of the few national leaders we have in this country, and we are very proud to be associated with you. Thank you very much, and I want you to enjoy the rest of the hospitality of my own kinsmen and women. Thank you very much, and God bless you.